Yeah?
Wherever you go.
Hey! My shot, not our wife. My wife.
Are you crazy? Oh, you think I don't know? You are a faker, a fake woman, and I'm not fake. Don't you dare!
No, that beauty now. How can you slap your senior wife just now that she's going to greet you?
I don't want a lousy greeting. She's a faker. She is fake.
How?
I'm a real person. I'll put you in your place. Illustrates.
Ngozi, please.
Rubbish.
Forgive her. Please.
Fake.
No, don't do it right now. How can you slap your senior wife? Just now, you just enter our wife. You don't have to do that now.
Keep quiet. You will pay for this! Somebody help! Neighbors help! You will pay! What is she doing? I cannot see it. I can see it. What's happening? What's happening? Look at now! What are you doing? My luggage is... What are you doing? What's wait! You know how much I bought that? Don't try it! You can never buy that box in your entire life! Drop my box! That's my box! That's my box! Beauty! You do something now! You want me to do? Where do you think you're going? What do you mean by that? Where do you think you're going? Where are you going?
What will you ask a man? Where do you think I go as a baby? As a toddler?
Oh, man. You're not a man.
Okay,
you're my fellow woman. That's why I'm asking you. Where do you...
I'm going out to go and hustle. To go and get something that will put food on your table.
Okay, shut that your dirty mouth, officer. Listen, I have put food on your table. Go and eat it. Then you come inside and finish the work that you started yesterday that you did not finish. Yes.
I should go and eat the food so that I'll continue to dig my grave in you.
Yes.
The grave that I dug this last night. This morning.
But you don't do anything now.
I know that's fine.
Nanya, you are not going anywhere. You will go inside, you will eat, and then you will come and work for me. That a moment.
I'll come for you.
You will work for me today.
You will have to.
My friend, let me ask you, how is Caleb coping with the wife you forced on him?
Caleb, my son is not coping, he's just surviving. He is just surviving.
But Ngozi is a fine woman now.
I accept. She's beautiful, but that girl, her strength is spiritual. See, if she catches thunder and hold it very well, she will beat it. I'm telling you.
Is that serious? Hey, I have heard how strong and brave she is, but I thought it was a joke.
No, it is not a joke. Do you know that last week, Caleb called me and said he wants a divorce? I was like, Organic mercy. The next minute, you see them running on the floor like snakes fighting for territory. Happened there.
But did you separate them?
I tried, though. I tried. Yes. I was holding Caleb on his ear because it's Sinani.
Bella delay free.
The Bella delay free. Me that I fell on the floor. I hit my waist on the floor. My waist is still paining me.
My God, oh. Hey, but how are they now?
They are just there. The same thing every day. If they're not fighting physically, they are using mouth to finish themselves. Leave my house. Leave my house. I don't want to marry again. This, that. They are still there.
But what kind of marriage is that now? Vera. But honestly, let me tell you, your son Caleb is living inside the reality show.
I never knew I was creating a season film when I got a bride for my son. I'm telling Kemubuzi now, just sit and watch them. That is it.
But will they ever stop? Will they ever stop?
That one is in God's hands. If God said they will separate, fine. If He doesn't, fine. But my own is to sit and watch them. Me, I will not separate them again. Madam, Malama is okay.
Yeah, what
Get up from there, go inside. What is it?
Mama, hi. Hey!
Mama, sorry.
Mama, sorry, you see what you call?
I will not set up myself to give me a wound.
I was shouting the word here because you will shout. You see what you call?
You will make us.
What can you do? For the first time since I married you, this is the first time, this is the best food ever. I'm missing them. This one and ten now, you just you arrange yourself well in cooking this pasta because in this food now, there's not too much pepper in it. Not too much salt. Not too much oil before. You know, most of your food in those days before. Oil, baby. Oil, too much oil, but not too much oil. No,
meaning what? No, I want to understand what you mean by that nonsense statement. Give it to me. Meaning what?
That you tried. I am complimenting you.
Oh,
did well.
What kind of nonsense compliment is that? So, okay, the ones I've been cooking before, they have not been nice, okay? I've not been cooking well.
You know now.
Huh?
Let's call it spade a spade. You can't move on. I can't change your mother, man.
But you used to eat it. You will finish it and make plates.
By force, man. You always.
If that nonsense that you said now, reverse it.
No, I'm not lying.
Open the trunk, let me not see your hand here again. Why do you want to eat that? I thought you said this is the first time they've cooked food well in this house. So allow me to eat it myself.
I'm complimenting you.
What kind of nonsense compliment is that? Is that how your father used to compliment your mother? Come on, get away. What kind of nonsense is that? Food I used to eat, all of a sudden, today is the first time I've cooked well. Okay, forget out.
Give me my food.
Which food? Okay, you want to eat it, okay? You want to eat it? No problem. Okay.
You bought it on the
from the you are very stupid and useless. No wonder.
Mama!
They gave birth to a fool. That's why you did that.
Mama! All this will help today. Mama! What about the cabal? No.
Okay, why are you shouting?
Mama, Chero, I thought you said that you love me. That I am your only son. You see my hair?
Is that why you are shouting?
Why did you not go and brought an old cargo for me to marry?
It's the old cargo.
Yes, now. She's an old cargo.
She's a hard-working woman. With her, nobody will look for your trouble.
Okay. Hard-working. Yes, indeed, she's hard-working. She's really hard on me. God is really hard on my life. Even the coconut, I'm tired of. I can't cook become mad.
Caleb,
Calm down. What is it? Ogene Medi, she...
You see, the she beat me. She has been disciplining me. I'm telling you, she has been... See, I cannot continue to kill myself. I cannot continue to... God will fight me. Even when we are making love. Even when we are making love on the bed, it's still... I'm back.
When you are making love on the bed? Or say again?
Can you imagine, Mama, that I'll be digging my grave on her? Nowhere. Because we just pretend as if nothing. Or they know no. The next thing you do, is that what you can do? Because she let me teach you how to do it well. Can you imagine?
But no, that's no problem in that one. Open us again. You don't know how to do that. She wants to teach you.
Hello! Is that what you're saying? Okay, so how about nobody and nobody but nothing? It will happen. It will happen. But she will fight me. She will fight me in the morning. She will fight me in the afternoon. She will fight me at night. She will fight me even when I'm sleeping. This is why you are not really my mother. You are not really my mother because my real mother will not go and bring a WWE wrestler as a wife for me. Come on. You got to get to I am done. I am done. Someone that will be fighting me. She will fight me in the morning. She will fight me in the afternoon. She will fight me at night. Even in my sleep, she will be fighting me.
No, the issue here, that what I'm understanding now, if I fight to go from Kanimare on way for.
Mama, go send her packing.
I can't go.
Tell to go to her.
Work harder.
Money and what?
Ngozi. We go nuta. My wife.
Mama, I'm hearing you.
You know why I choose you for my son? Because you're a strong woman. A very strong woman, a warrior, a fighter that will oppress anyone that wants to deal with my son. You know my son is an only son. And you know this village, Hanejikali as a draft. And I said, I must get a strong woman for my son. A woman that no man or woman can beat, can challenge, can intimidate. That is why I brought you to my house. So that no man or woman can snatch what belongs to my son. You know,
Mama, I'm trying. I'm trying. It's just that that boy can make somebody very angry. And he talks too much. Only a kuka. Hey.
Yes, he talks too much. He got that from his father. But still, he's still your husband. No.
And then he insults me. If you see the way this boy insults me, now come on, no. You just be talking anyhow, doing anyhow. Now I'm swearing my way. Always making me angry.
He's still your husband. You have to endure. The solution is up at Antua. You embrace him. Talk to him heart to heart. How was your day, my husband, my darling, my honey? There are some names. You call him those names. Sometimes I say when he talks too much, just keep him quiet. As an know a mother, you must talk back at him. But he's the man here. He married you. He kept you. No. It's not the other way around. Endure now. Endure.
That boy can do anyhow. It's so mean. He can do anyhow. I persuade him you up and down. But it's okay. I'll try and reduce it.
My fellow woman, are you back? Welcome. What is this? Close that your mouth. Any small thing, you will run to your mother. Any small thing, you will run to your mother.
Hey God! I should have listened to my friends. My friends warned me not to marry you. Instead of marrying you, that should remain in my father's house, give birth as a single mother. Njo! Now my stubbornness have made me marry my fellow woman as a husband. This is your husband. Get up! Which dirty husband? A husband that cannot discuss things with his wife. Her husband. Anything about you will not to your mother. You give me Anyway, you know what? You say that your name, Caleb. Mbano. We will change it. From today, your name is Junior. Yes! Junior! Your husband, Junior. Anyway, do you know that your mother came and discussed with me? Everything is against you. Do you know what your mother told me? Your mother told me that I should beat the hell out of you. My mother? No. Your mother said your mother told me that the reason she married me to you is because she wanted a strong woman. Why did you marry your mother? You give me. That's the best. How come I'm a widow than marrying my fellow woman?
I did not force myself to become an only son. God knows that I did not beg anybody for that title. I did not. Look at the mess my mother has put me into. I said it. My mother would say, Caleb, you will marry Ngozi, And it's in here now. Look at it. And Ngozi will help you fight your enemies. It's in here now. Look at it now. Now my enemies are inside my own house, sleeping on my own bed, eating my own food, wearing wrapper in my bedroom.
Someone! Who is it? Is this you? Yes, flesh and blood. Jimmy. Beauty, where have you been? I missed you so much. I've missed you too. I thought something has happened to you. Beauty, what's happened? You did not even reach out. Every day I was worried. I prayed. Beauty, what's happened? Calm down. All right, I'm here now. Oh, stop, please. Just stop. How is school? What's happened? How is school? Where have you been? School? I've been done with school since last year. Chimo. I just completed my NYSC year. That's why I'm here, and I just decided to come and see my beautiful sister who I've missed. Wait. As in, you're completely done with school? You're a graduate? Yes. Hey! Calm down. My sister is a graduate, so... Stop! Beauty, you're a graduate? Yes. Thank you, God. Hi! How have you been coping? I've been managing. I farm. When I farm, I sell the farm produce, and I've been managing. Someone stop, alright? I managed to save some money during my NYSC year, and I'll give them to you. It's not much, just a little, so you can open up maybe a mini supermarket or something of your choice. Supermarket? It's not much. For me? Yes. Supermarket? Things will get better. Beauty, God bless you. Stop already. Everything will be alright. Just stop already. Come, let's go in. Come, okay, come. Beauty, you look so... Please be a collab. Come on, you mean that I don't want to stress my sister. Come, I'll share some of my goodies with you. Come. Take it easy. Whatever you do, pray against enemies. Amen. Amen. Wherever you go, Whenever something good is coming.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon this early morning.
I'm sorry.
No, good afternoon this early morning.
Oh, the slip of tongue. Good morning, Ngozi.
Anyway, yeah, welcome.
Yeah?
Why did you not eat the food that I made for you last night?
The food you made for me last
night? I made food for you last night and you did not eat it. Why?
Okay. The thing is that I wasn't hungry. Yes, I was not hungry, yes.
You were not hungry?
Yes.
That was why you did not eat the food that I took my time to make for you last night. Akwe?
Someone is not, was not hungry, or how do you feel?
Okay. No problem. In fact, you actually have the liberty not to be hungry last night. But this morning, I'm very sure you are hungry. Amba, you must be very hungry. If you're not very hungry, at least you are a little bit hungry. That food, I warmed it. I warmed it last night and I warmed it this morning, so it not spoil. I have served you. Sit down and eat it now.
Stop this wahala this morning. I am not hungry.
Yeah, I'm not joking with you. You see that food? You must eat it.
Must what?
If it go cook it.
Chiro, must. Take a must. Why must you add must on it?
Yeah, Caleb.
No,
you must eat that food
what is it? When has it become law that I must eat it?
Nana, you have only two options. One is either you eat the food or you will go to work today with a swollen head. That is if I don't break it. Nolana. Mama. Sit down and eat this food now. I want to see you chewing the food and swallowing it. Yeah, you think I'm talking with you? Hey, my friend, stop crying like a bush baby. Open this thing now, start eating it in half. I don't blame you. Look at the food.
I'm living with my enemy. I don't want to go to work with swollen head. Yeah, my mind, no.
I don't blame you. Do you know what it takes to make my money? Buying beans. You will soak beans. Then you wash the chaff off it. Then you go and grind it. Then you come and cook it.
But you could have asked me the kind of food.
Come on, eat that food before I
don't force anybody. I don't blame you to eat my mind and I wonder what to eat.
Just look at you. Other people are out there. Their problem is that their wives don't cook for them. But your own is that your wife will cook. Your own problem is to eat it. Caleb, I'm not talking with you. Rubbish. I'll take that nonsense from you.
This is it. This is a free service, so.
Yeah.
Okay. What? Easy. My friend, will you calm down? You should be thankful. You were looking like a mad. Be strong, go. You were looking like a mad person. I'm trying to make you look beautiful. And you're. What is it? Calm down.
You went to, a laborer. They're easy.
Don't worry. Soon I'm going to give you some wig.
Hey.
Wait.
Beauty. So it's true. Is this you? Flesh and blood. I was told down there that you are in this village, but I didn't believe it. Wait, you go to this place and you didn't even bother to call me.
Vicky, what is wrong with you? Can you please calm down? Are you still like this? So you're still this noisy?
What do you mean? I am noisy. Did you listen to your sister? Beauty, you left this village for how many years? How long now?
Shouting.
You left this village, we couldn't reach you. You didn't even bother to call anybody. We didn't even know when you were living in the city. And you just crawl into this place and you are okay. Look at your boyfriend. Look at how you devastated that young man. He waited and waited for how long? He got tired and he ended up with that old woman called a wife. And see how his life is miserable.
Hey, wait. Which boyfriend? That village riffraff? That village layabout? Is that who you call my boyfriend? Like you expect me, Beauty, to have that village riffraff as a boyfriend? You'll be talking backwards and I'll be talking forward.
Wait,
forbid.
Do you know the person I'm talking about? I'm talking about your boyfriend.
I don't have any boyfriend.
Your almighty boyfriend, Caleb.
God forbid. It's not my boyfriend. Do I have a boyfriend?
See, Beauty. See, there's something I need to tell you now. And this thing is very important. It is for your ears alone. Let's go. Come. This one that I'm seeing you now. Come.
What is it? My ears alone? How?
Yes.
What happened?
See, this thing I'm about to tell you, I need you to listen very carefully. You see that guy you're calling a riffraff? That guy is a potential king. Yes. You know nobody knows who his real father is. Before he got married, the mother confessed that his father is a king. As I speak to you now, Caleb is a waiting king. He's a prince, and he united with his dad the other time, and the dad gave him acres of land. He gave him a house in the city, and so many other things that I cannot start talking to you about now. So please, my dear friend, you must marry Caleb in order to secure a good life for yourself. You see this year, I am a graduate, I just finished school. Keep that rubbish one side. How many of you are graduates in this village? And they cannot boast of a good job. So please, keep this your graduate thing aside. And you must marry Caleb. It is a must for me. Because you cannot be this fine and parading yourself in this village. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Pray against enemies. Amen. Wherever you go,
I need you of that call herself somebody's wife. Carry a 2x2. 2x2. Now her husband, forcing her husband to eat what he does not want to eat. If you don't want to eat that food, and you call that one a wife, you call that one marriage. I mean, my mother is the one. She's the one that has put me to this
Caleb! What is the problem? Why are you talking to yourself like this?
Just leave me. Happen. You will not understand. Leave me.
Did you fight with anyone?
See, let me tell you. I'm telling you. Just leave me. Who don't understand me? My money,
see, Caleb, calm down. See, I don't know what is upsetting you, but I have a good news for you. And this one is going to gladden your heart.
Chero, you have a good news for me. Not only that you have a good news, you have the one that will gladden my heart.
100%.
Because as it is right now, I need my heart to be gladdened.
Okay.
Name that thing that will gladden my heart.
Your lover, the love of your life, your baby girl, Beauty, she's back in this village.
What the fire, you idiot! Beauty is in this village, and I did not know. She did not tell me that.
Beauty is in this village, flesh and blood. I've seen her with my. In fact, I'm coming out from house now.
Came a bit. You're coming out, and she's in this village.
She's in this village.
See, let me tell you. If I go to that house and Beauty is not there, make it in this village. You will know. Don't worry.
Okay, come, Caleb. If you go there and you see her, what will I do to you?
I will thank you later.
Only thank you. Anyways, go and see Beauty.
Whatever you do, pray against enemies. Amen.
About it. Mama, trust me. After our discussion, I sat him down and we talked. And I'm very sure he understood everything.
And what did he say?
You're talking as if you don't know that your son and his big ego. Eh? He refused to eat last night. He refused. Mana, trust me. This morning, only a 2x2. Mama, yes, I came out with 2x2 and he ate. He finished his food. In fact, Mama, let me just tell you. Your son went to work this morning with a stomach filled with food. He ate like the man that he is. Don't play with me, oh.
Hey, go,
Mama.
go.
Will you insult me again? See. No, if you don't answer me now, I will teach you a lesson you will not forget.
No provoke me. I go change that for you.
You will change it for me, woman.
You will change it for me. You will. Jesus!
Foolish boy!
Let's go. You see, after I saw you handling that boy, that useless boy, he handled on also. You see, Vera, this is my daughter-in-law. Oh, dear Kanto, this is what I want for my son. I need the more
But Mama, you did not make any mistake. Because you see that your son, he is safe with me. Nobody, nobody can intimidate him. Although possible. Mama, I will be his solid rock. His backbone. I will be his pillar. Nobody, nobody will cross him. They'll be giving him massive respect because of me.
He's an only son. It's been 3 years. 3 years since both of you got married. Because if you need to be strong in the other room, do the needful, but up and
Ma, don't worry. I understand and I will try my best. Don't worry. Very soon it will happen.
Very soon. Neko fona. You know that my son is a potential king. King in the making. Because show him love, respect. Okay, Ota. The potential king go. They give me a potential king. Because Ungo, say that I should trust you. Mom, just trust
me. Beauty, oh, Beauty. Hi. Hey. Beauty, my love. Hi, this is beautiful. Hi. So it's true that you came back. Welcome.
Thank you.
Beauty, my love. Beauty, this is very good. Hi. You know, when I heard it, I said, car. It's not possible. Not knowing that it is true. Welcome. No.
Thank you.
Hi.
What is wrong with you? Why you? Huh?
Hi.
You sounding like you just saw your lost goat.
I just saw my lost goat. Thank God, I saw my lost goat.
Where is your lost goat? Wait, are you by any chance calling me a goat?
No, I just concur. You see, you talk about lost goat and fine. I say yes, I concur. Beauty. Let me ask you, what is it that I've done? Look at me, them. They can't come back. What is it that I've done? Why are you polishing me? What is it that I've done to you that is making you to be polishing me the way you are polishing me?
Punishing you how? What are you talking about?
Look at me now. I'm the only man in this community that got married and started shrinking. I sent you to the university. You got there. Wow, you disappeared. Yeah? Nothing, no message, no phone call, no message, not even phone. Caleb, I am still alive. You know, look at me. Yeah? I'm the only man in this community that got married and then started shrinking. Others we marry, and then they will just be fattened everywhere now.
Caleb, can you please stop? Are you here to crack jokes? What is all this now? I beg go. What?
Beauty, please, I beg you. You're the only one.
What is wrong with you? Please stand up. What is it?
I cannot stand up. I just want you to understand me. You're the only one that can drag me out of this bondage.
How?
I am living in bondage. Please.
Get up.
See.
What?
Let us plan on how to get married.
Wait. Married?
Yes.
You and who? Are you out of your mind? Aren't you married? You want to make me, Beauty, your second wife? You must be crazy.
Mama, what? That is not marriage. You cannot call that one marriage. Yeah? Please. Because, you see, let me need that again so that you understand me. Because Beauty, because please, take me out of this bondage. I am living in bondage. Eh? Before you talk, boom, power. All I pay, the way she will hijack my mom, smash that dawalala. That idiot is a wrestler. Eh? See, please, Fat, I forgive you. I forgive you that you stayed away without calling and without communication. You're welcome.
Please, I want to talk to you. Just sit down.
Oh, I should sit down.
Just it's one that you're so happy.
Yes. Something good is about to happen in this family. But joy is coming. Joy is coming.
I like it too. At least your mood is very right for what I want to tell you.
It's all right.
Come on. If there's any way I have offended you, or if there's anything that I'm doing that you do not like, I want to apologize for it. I'm sorry. Listen, I'm tired of fighting. I'm tired of all this constant quarrel. Let us live in peace like husband and wife. Husband and wife. See, marriage is sweet though. It's just that sometimes the people inside the marriage will always make it seem as if it's not interesting. So today I want to bring out my heart and work on this marriage so that it will work. Oh?
Ogocha. You just called me to tell me what you just said now. I don't know if it is what you have decided to do. I have heard you. That is good. Joy is coming. Joy is coming.
Just like that.
Hey, you still want us to start fighting?
No.
Just like that. I heard what you said. And I am happy. Joy is, see, I want you to laugh. Just laugh as I'm laughing. Laugh too. Laugh now. What's in your PC? Joy is coming. No, I heard what you said. Where's the couple?
Whatever you do,
No, I heard what you said.
pray against enemies. Amen.
That's spiritual. Give her
Wherever you go, nene kwanya nazu.
don't go. Joy is coming.
You wanna way high whenever something good is coming. Obi abawa ha when everybody is happy.
Hey. I don't know what I did this morning.
What is this now? Why are you crying?
I got an admission to the university, but I don't have the money for the school fees. My sister doesn't have money. If our parents were to be alive, they would be the one to sort it out. But right now, we are orphans and nobody to help. I'm just tired. I'm tired of this life. How many times now?
It's okay. It's okay. So you just Is that why you are crying? I don't just No, wipe your tears now. I don't want you to cry again. Please, Biko, Fichanya. Stop it. Eh? Don't worry. See, it's a thing of joy. It's a thing of joy. Eh? That you got admission into the university. It's a thing of joy. It's something to be happy about.
I'm not happy.
See, don't worry. Wipe your tears. Oh, I will help you. Yes, I will help. Don't worry. See, I will do anything to make sure that you go to school. Do you understand? How? Just how? Don't worry how it will come. God will help us. See, you know I did not go to school well. And you are to become my wife in the future. So if you that is going to become my wife did not go to school, me myself I did not go to school well, we will become illiterate now if we get married. Yeah, but only see na do only see. Yeah, ono ya bozia home of illiteracy. Don't worry. I will make sure you go to school. Make sure that you go to school, so that by the time we get married, one of us would have become a graduate. Do you understand? Fichana, don't worry. Thank you. I'll make sure you go to school. Oh, you have said your problem. Keep it on me. I will solve it. Oh,
thank you.
Beauty, see. Just hold it. Yes, this money belongs to you. This is 200,000. Do you understand? Yes. Just hold this one. Yes. Tomorrow evening, I will transfer 1.5 million to you. Yes.
Thank you so much.
All right.
Thank you so much.
All right.
Where did you get this money from?
No, forget about how I got the money. All I want is for you to become a graduate. You see this money, by the grace of God, I know that this money plus the one I will transfer to you, 1.5 million, I want you to use it to pay for your house rent for 4 years. Yes, then use the money as well to pay for your school fees for 4 years. Do you understand? As time goes on, by the grace of God, I'll be sending you small money for upkeeps.
Thank you so much.
I just want you to become graduate. See. Be very careful, because once you get to this school, be very careful and become a graduate. Becoming a graduate is my problem. Just you becoming a graduate, I'll be so happy.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yes,
me. How did you get this money?
If I tell you, if you can work, and I can't see Lana. Sorry, no, sorry. Just I said, I say, how I got this money is not your problem. I know what I suffer. I know how I got the money. Don't go there and come back and graduate with pregnancy.
Forbid me? No way. No, it's not happening.
Because when you say, you want to become a graduate.
Yes.
Because there are some people that I had that are in school that are not in school.
Not me.
What they do is just to go and waste years before you know please,
forbid. For who, Pan?
Because just become a graduate. I like the bag. From the 200,000.
Yes, it's fine, right?
No,
leave it. It's still new.
Whenever something good is coming.
Sweetheart, my love. Hi. Oh, please. As you're going to this school now, be very careful. Please just go there and face your studies.
I will.
Because I just want you to go there and become a graduate. Make us proud. Someone talk to this.
You don't need to talk. Nobody needs to talk to you. Of course, I know.
Because I just want you to know that schooling in Jakarta and Kabro, just because there are some people some girls that are not in school.
Yes.
After that, they pretend they just wasting their years.
Not me.
Biko,
I will make you proud.
See, this school that you're going now. You're not going. to become a graduate for yourself alone, for me, for you, and for your little sister who has no opportunity like you have now to go to school. Oh, Biko, just go there and become a graduate, so that by the time you graduate and come back, we'll be bragging. We'll brag in this village and tell them, yes, we now have a graduate. Please.
I've heard you. You don't need to worry. I know all this. Oh?
It's all right, because it comes on more people. Please don't go there and become pregnant.
God forbid. What?
No, there are these forget much in gun boys in there, all these Tangerine boys. They can just come to you. Hey, so baby, before you know it, they will initiate you. Wow.
Where will you be? That is not happening.
Because the next hello sweet girl. Oh, I need daughter. And before you know it,
it's not happening.
Please.
Stop worrying. Are you not talking to the crowd? Awake. I'll miss you.
I'll miss you too, Biko.
Sister. Honestly, I don't know what happened to you when you went to school. The way you just shut everybody out. No calls, no texts. You couldn't even come back to see me, even me. You couldn't reach out to Caleb. I just feel if you could have been here, Caleb wouldn't have gotten married to that lady yet. Eh? You just shut everyone out. And look, you know that you can't just reject his proposal like that. You can accept if you want to. And even if you must reject it, you have to provide a very, very tangible reason. You can't just shut him out and leave him hanging like that. No, now.
Toma, you will not understand. It wasn't easy for me at all. The stress I passed through in school, university is not easy. Everyday lectures, morning, evening, every time I'm in school, exams, quiz, tests, up and down. Or will I even talk about the final year projects? Seminars. It's not easy, it's not a child's play. It wasn't easy for me. But you know the good thing? I scaled through, I survived it.
That's the most important thing, sister. And I am so happy for you.
I am. I mean, take a look at me. I'm a graduate. In our family, we have one graduate without our parents.
Thank God. I'm so grateful to God.
NYC, done and dusted.
Hey!
God, I thank you.
Thank you, God. And also thank you. Caleb is such a nice person.
Chai.
All thanks to him. He sold his land to send you to, like, if not for Caleb, you will not even be here.
Hi. God sent him. That's what God does for his people. Just like how God has sent me to make sure that you go to school too.
Me?
Thank you so much. I
have to thank you. When.
I'm done. Let's eat.
Let me share it.
Okay. Share what? Why eating from the same plate? See this girl.
Me. Beauty, please. See, just know that you and I have gone a very long ways. Check Judy. Yes. Tears, sacrifices. What is it that you've not done? Please, Biko, I just want you to know that just make up your mind to marry me, Biko. Because the way it is right now, I might not survive the next day. Please, forget about what had happened. Let's just forge ahead and become husband and wife, and two shall become one, and we will become one. Forget about that idiot, that old cargo, that Nchi. that wrestler, WWE, that smart damn idiot. Forget though. I am not afraid of her. And I don't want you to be afraid of her for anything. If she likes, she can die this night. She can
stop it. What is wrong with you? Stop saying this.
Okay, I'm not pushing them. Biko, please. Let me just be the Biko, please.
Wait,
just
stand up.
I should stand up.
Please.
Is that a yes?
Can you please stand up?
Okay. Biko. I'm not up. Biko. Please. Biko.
What is my assurance? Caleb, if I get married to you now and your wife gives me hell in that house, where do I go? What become of my children? What will be my stand?
See, don't worry. Just forget about that idiot. Nobody's going to give you hell. See, let me tell you, a lot changed when you were away. A lot. There are things that you don't know that I will tell you now. Oh? Do you understand me, beauty? Just look at me. Just look me well. This man that is standing before you now is a king in the making. I'm telling you, my real father that gave birth to me is the next king of Oboya Kingdom. When I say, it's a king already. Because what is left is just to, crown him and then he will ascend the throne. He's the king of Oboya Kingdom. Do you understand? My mother already told me, and my mother has already taken me to him. He has seen me. Do you understand? He saw me. He was so happy. He now took me around, showed me around, and gave me acres of land. Gave me house in the city. Too many properties that a prince should have. That's for you to know that I am king in the making. Do you understand? But we kept it a secret. You know why? Because my father already had another wife there. So if he brings me out now, it will cause war. Do you understand? That is why I'm still like this. I don't know if you're getting me. See, once my father ascends the throne, wow, I'll be named the prince officially. I'll be officially named the prince, heir apparent to the throne of Oboya Kingdom. What do you think will become of you? You become the queen of Oboya Kingdom. That idiot that called herself Ngozi, that smart man, that WWE fighter, she will become the head maid, the chief maid of the kingdom. That is if you should stay. Because me, by the time I become the prince and then become the king, hey, that alone will push her out of the house. But if she insists that she must stay, or the chief maid, I'm telling you, I don't know if you're getting me, my dear. This is assurance. So I just want you to relax. See, I will be the one that will take you to the city myself and show you the house. I will show you everything, all the properties. In case if there's pata trouble comes, but that's by the time we have married and with children, because I know there's a lot of children in me crying to come out. By the time more like 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, so if anybody troubles you, give you wahala, troubles you, you will go with your children to the house and stay there alone. The whole building will be yours. Biko, Biko, please. You are not a graduate. It means that I did not go to school well. You are not my graduate. You can be my anything. If I just give property, anybody that says Paul, Etonyanga as graduate. Mama, I want to marry. I want to get married now.
You want to get married? Caleb, what do you mean?
I want to marry now. It is now that I want to marry my wife. Do you understand?
What about Ngozi, your first wife? Is she not your wife?
Who's Ngozi? Who's Ngozi?
Ngozi is your wife.
Ngozi. Except Ngozi. Were you not the one that brought Ngozi?
But you are the one that married her.
Marry who? You were the one that married Ngozi, not me. Ngozi is your own wife. I want to now marry my own wife. Ngozi is an idiot and a cook. Or cookie. Eh? I want to marry my own wife now. See, my beauty, the love of my life. Somebody that I've been waiting for. I told you before. I'm waiting for my wife. See, Mba, you are my only son. Time Nagaga, there's no time. You now went and brought an idiot, a WWE wrestler. You went and brought for me as a wife. My wife, my own wife, my beauty is now in the village. She's in the village, and she's now a graduate. Is Ngozi a graduate? Ngozi is a cook, a fighter.
Caleb.
Caleb.
Hey, if I can't say anything, how many times did I call you?
Mama, this is what I've come to tell you.
Caleb, are you sure you can handle the trouble you want to bring upon yourself? You know Ngozi.
Mama, see, I don't like this feeling, so this is what I want. I don't want at all. As okay. You brought an WWE fighter wrestler to kill me. See, let me tell you, if she comes with trouble this time, I'll just take my wife and go to the city and live there. I came for you to go on one high in advance. One more, because just let it not be that.
Let me ask you one question. Do you have the morale to show that what you want to do now?
Morale. Excess morale. Because
yes, I will have to support my son. I will have to support my son. Let me stop deceiving myself. Ngozika is a thorn on the flesh. For 3 years, I touch alacha. No pregnancy, not to talk of miscarriage. Obaraba, no lap. If my son will take a second wife, I will support him. Let me support him. After all, beauty is beautiful. She's intelligent. She's sensible. If she comes and give me grandchildren, if she gives me grandchildren, it's my gain. Ngozi will be here. All she does is to fight. She will not go and know what the problem is. She came to give me grandchildren, not to fight my son. I married her because I wanted her to defend my son, to fight for my son, and not with my son. Oh, okay.
Caretaker!
Now, landlord. You're welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Welcome, sir.
No, come here, your husband. Good. Caretaker.
Yes, sir.
This is my wife. My wife. My wife.
Welcome, sir. Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you.
And she's a graduate.
I
now have a graduate as a wife.
Thank God.
Yes. I want to let you know that she is in charge of this whole building. Yes. She's not in charge.
Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you.
So if anything happens,
yes,
relate to her.
Okay.
Not,
okay, sir.
Not me anymore.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Landlady, welcome, ma'am.
Thank you again.
Joe.
Yeah, it's dirty.
I've been telling them. Mostly Mr. Tony with the children.
Mr. Tony?
Yes.
I don't understand. Mr. Tony.
The way
I don't want trouble. If If anybody gives you trouble, arrest that person.
I've told them all. I've told Mr. Tony that landlord will not take nonsense.
Take that person to the police station. I told me, man.
Okay.
No. Ask them, calm down. Let me just tell them.
Mr. Tony with the children have been giving me issue in this compound.
Tell the person, take him to the station.
I will.
So why is he still here?
I don't know, because all the time they call me illiterate, that I did not go to school, that I am an illiterate. I now have a wife who is a graduate. Because whoever that has a wife as a graduate is also
a graduate.
Good. I'm not a graduate.
Now, Mr. Tony.
Mr. Tony.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Mr. Tony,
he's one of the 2 cars.
Then why is he still in here?
Tony!
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Let pack this water. Let it track it down.
Mr. Tony!
Calm down.
How can you have 2 cars and he's only
You just said I'm in charge now, right?
Hey, your father, but the cake I told you, you want 2 cars, I pack 2 cars here. You know what?
Mama, you know I have always respected you. Onwe ihe ọka ya ga-abụ ọnụ. Obirigiri nne ka a na-ekwu. My son told me something, and I said, that he has to say it in your presence. So Caleb, tell her what you told me.
The way you're looking at me, he didn't nap. They will eat you. Because the way as you are looking at me, open up. Calm down now. It is not easy. Really. The thing is that yes, Ngozi, yes. I want to marry another wife. I want to marry a second wife. Yes. It is my decision. Mama, even if probably you are afraid to who's in there now? Who cannot hide it? Who can hide it?
It is okay now. It is okay. That is your decision.
Yes, it's my decision.
You want to take another wife?
Yes, it is my decision.
It is okay. I'm here for you. If you need anything, just let me know. Oh? It's so bad, no problem at all. Mama. Mama, Gordon. Oh. She didn't say anything.
This is the day now. She didn't know I was expecting her to explode. Man, I called where she now moved to. I'm not going back to the house. Hey, because we are walking out.
See, Samuel, you know I'm like a sister to you and Beauty. We've been family friends for how long now? So there is no how I'm going to see something that is going to benefit you people and I will not push for it to happen. You understand? So I don't want you to use this your good girl character and attitude to discourage your sister from marrying Caleb. Please. I know I'm saying this thing because I know you will go back to her and start telling her you are scared that she's going to get married to Caleb as his second wife. Let that not be an edge. Please. You see, Caleb might look stupid, but he's not. That guy you people are seeing, he's a potential king. I'm being honest. Let us not deprive your sister from being a potential queen in the future. I beg you. See what I need you to do. I need us to put heads together so that she will get a place in that family. If it benefits you, it will benefit her and me also. See, I swear to God, there is something huge and life-changing in that family. I swear. And I'm not joking about it. Please. Vicky, are you sure of what you just said? I am not joking. I cannot be talking anyhow if I'm not sure. Please, so when you go back home, speak to
to her, talk to her, convince her, because I know I'm going to speak to her. So also let's put heads together.
That is not a problem.
Okay.
That is not a problem.
Okay. So
Chimo,
please.
King, here.
I want you to give me one reason. Just one reason you want another wife.
Okay, brother, won't do this. I have just give reasons. Too many reasons.
Let me tell you.
One pecker.
Since I got married to you, I have never wronged you. I have never done anything bad to you.
Chineke.
Yes.
Ngozi, that you have never done anything.
Now you can wag.
Chineke.
See this decision that you just made. It did not fly from the sky into your head. You thought about it. But instead of you to come and discuss with me, you ran to your mother. Then you people invited me for a meeting. Can't you get what were you hoping to achieve? Or what were you hoping I would do? I'm a governor. You want me to start shouting there so that your mother will say I am a bad wife?
Oh, are you not a bad wife?
I'm not here attacking.
No, that's not your behavior.
So that they will say I am the bad wife of the family.
Is that not what you are? Because if it is what you called me for, I have one thing to go to do. Talk to me to come over. Are you not a bad wife? That's a bag. Because I don't want it.
I know that we have not been able to conceive. And because of that, you might want another wife. I also do not blame your mother. I mean, she's a woman. And she's not going to say no to you. But at least, the most honorable thing you would have done was coming to discuss with me. Instead of running to your mother and then you put me on the spotlight. No,
fine. Is there any discussion that you and I have had in this house that does not end the fight? No. Now, what makes you think that if I had told you first that it will still not result to a fight? Well,
okay.
You just say it as if I am cooking. I'm just trying to cook up something against you.
I agree. Most of our discussions always end in quarrel.
Oh, you know.
So maybe you are right. Who knows? Maybe if you had told me, we would have still fought.
Oh.
But it is okay. But moving forward, Biko, from today, anything that you want to do, please discuss with me. Discuss it with me. We will discuss as husband and wife, instead of you always running to your mother.
So are
you understanding what I'm saying?
Are you understanding what discuss here with you? Will you not end the fight? Come on, no. Just going forward. Anything I want to discuss, I should discuss with you. Will you not end the fight? How did he go?
He went well alone now. Oh, yeah. Today was a very good.
Oh, thank God.
Caleb! Oh, you are here. Hey, thank God. Hey. Give me my money! Give me my money! My 16,000 naira! No. I'm not leaving this house until you pay me.
Okay,
I'm going to set this house on fire.
Come down, how will it be first now? Now what?
Why will I leave him?
You only have 16,000.
16,000. This one I said that I was going to give her.
It is okay. 16,000 of you.
Yes, let him pay me.
I will pay you. It's
when?
Okay. Oh, yeah, can not check up that. Happy.
This is your come back.
Take your stand.
Let go the call back.
It's your wife is even paying for you.
You're lucky that I am not this type that beast women. You can't cook it. I will do
16,000 of you.
Yes, so.
Come here. And then let me give it to her now.
Useless man. What is complete to 1 year of work and I'm missing? Just count it.
Then they go to the bar. Let it drop.
Yes. Thank your stars. If not, I will set this house on fire.
Everything is not about talking. Sometimes you slap. Yes.
You slapped me?
Oh,
your wife slapped me.
That means the slap did not enter well. That is why you are asking me if I slap you.
She slapped me again.
Beg that to go and go here. The next time you come into my house to insult my husband, try it again. Try it again. I'm not fetching the Bruno. Idiot, no wonder your first and your second husband have a like a boss. No. You don't know her. The first one, the second one, but also fool. You know what? Try it again. What could you people don't know who I am? People don't know who he's married to. God bless you. Enter this place again and insult my husband. I will show you the stuff I am made of.
Give me my money now. I don't understand.
What is this now?
Give me my money. Here is that money. 30 stars and I will go.
Did I say I will not give you 30 stars?
You know, give me the money. Leave me.
And then
you go run.
Me I run.
Waka since money to me go go.
Let me waka.
Give me the
Leave me, give me the money now.
Okay, you
hold me now.
Okay.
Hold me now.
Okay now.
Okay, you hold me tighter.
I don't understand.
I don't blame you. I don't go. I said you had the mind to hook my husband. No, I'm not fetching a Bruno. Fool!
Idiot.
Your fellow man will hook you. Hey! Where does he live? Can finish
I don't even know where he lives. The thing that we are partner in agency. Am I going to our agent?
God has saved you.
No, come back now.
So when did you agree to marry him? And Beauty, I hope you're still in love with Caleb. And I hope you accepted to marry him because you still love him. Not because you heard he's about to be king and the property and everything. You know you can talk to me.
So I don't even understand your question. Weren't you the one trying to remind me of how Caleb struggled to see me through school? Yes, how he sold his father's only land, sacrificed all he had to take me to school. So, okay, just imagine if I reject him now. The entire village will call me an ingrate. Even you, my sister, I know, you're going to call me an ingrate. Besides, Caleb is a good man. We were once a thing and it's not bad. He's a good man, so yes. Why won't I marry him? He deserves it.
Okay, I even understand your point, because if you don't marry him now, people start calling you a bad person, thinking that you're discriminating.
Oh.
So now you've agreed to marry him. I just wanted to be sure that your mind is in it. I wanted to be sure that you really love him. Because that's Ngozi. That's his wife is very troublesome. She's a fighter. I don't know where her strength is from.
I heard she's fire.
Volcano. She can fight even 10 men. So please, when you go there, if she wants peace, you give her peace. But if she wants war, may I know that you are very equal to that type of tax, you give her war immediately. When you go to that Caleb's house, don't just sit down and be doing beauty. You have to secure your spot in that house. Secure your spot by hook or by crook. Anyhow you want to do it, do it. If it means fighting, if it means anything you want to do, do it. But please, another important thing is children. Make sure you give Caleb kids. That's Ngozi. Since 3 years, no child. 3 years or more. And I am very sure that problem is from her because she has passed the age of giving birth. I don't even know why that woman married her. I don't know why that's his mother brought that woman into that house. She has passed the age for giving birth, so you having kids now is going to be a plus for you. So please, try your best and make sure you have kids for Caleb. Please, oh, I'm tired of suffering. We need to tap into that property. We need to tap into that wealth. I trust you now.
Whatever you do, against enemies, amen. Wherever you go.
My shot, not our wife. My wife.
Are you crazy?
Oh, you think I don't know? You are a faker, a fake woman, and I'm not fake. Don't you dare!
No, that beauty now. How can you slap your senior wife just now that she's going to greet you?
I don't want a lousy greeting. She's a faker. She is fake.
How?
I'm a real person. I'll put you in your place.
Illustrates.
Because please.
Rubbish.
Forgive her. Please.
Fake.
No, you don't do it right now. How can you slap your senior wife? Just now, you just enter that our wife. You don't have to do that now.
Quiet. Lousy man. Where's my room? Bring my box. I'm here to set things right. Here's my book.
Hello? 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 Ah, this one Ngozi is calling. Hope all is well. Hello? Hi. For now, don't God go. Hello? Hello? Mama? Mama, your son brought that girl into this house. And the first thing she did was slap me. Slap you? For what? I just ran out to greet her. And the next thing, before I could even touch her, it's Zawai Mola. Mola. For what? Mama? Your son's wife. How? Where is Caleb? He apologized to me. But that girl was not feeling sorry at all. Mama, she slapped me as if I am her house girl. Slapped you? Why? For what? In your own husband's house. Is that how she wants to start? Mama, please. You have to come tomorrow. Please come tomorrow, else that house, I will set it on fire. I will make sure that house raises down. Mama, you know me very well. I will not take insult from a stranger. Okay, calm down. Oh, calm down. You will see me there tomorrow. I'll come and talk to Caleb and also know who that beauty is. I've not seen her. Let me know her. Oh? Okay. Yeah. You know I'm not like a slap.
Whatever you do, pray against enemies. Amen.
Once again, you are welcome to this house.
Thank you, Mommy.
This is your home. And here in this house, we are all one. I ain't make you fool. Let's just settle what happened yesterday. I think you should apologize to Ngozi. Ngozi is the first wife here. She has been in this house. Yes. So you have to apologize to her for us to move forward. In peace. In unity.
Apologize for what? For defending myself? It's clear that someone wants to use me as her slave. Someone is trying to boss me around in my own husband's house, and you expect me to apologize to her? No way, no how. It's not happening, Mom. No!
Nobody is trying to boss you. I only came out yesterday to welcome you. Did I do any other thing? I just wanted to welcome you. Or your joy, is it a bad thing?
Welcome me. You just wanted to welcome me. Ha! Girl to girl. We know that is not what you wanted to do. You came out to show me your place and for me to know my place. You think I don't know? You did not come out to welcome me. You just want to show me that, okay, yes, you're superior, which you're not. This is my husband's place and nothing will ever make me to succumb. You're not...
Just calm down. No one is saying that you don't have right here. No, you do. This is your home. But the attitude...
Wait, hold on. Caleb, are you by any chance trying to join them and blame me?
No.
It's fine. It's okay. It's all right. Well, if she wants respect, she should give me my respect, my due respect. Else.
Mama, Caleb, I have had enough. I just mean, I don't want to hear anything again. Osuko. You see this house? Yes, so it belongs to you. I am not even going to fight you on that. Manawam, try and disrespect me. Yeah, any day that battery in your head decides to touch and you disrespect me, I will make sure that you will never be happy in this house. Can I call you?
Okay. It's clear.
Whatever you do, pray against enemies. Amen. Amen. Wherever you go, nene kwanya nazu. Whenever something good is coming, when everybody is happy, don't you ever get tired? I get you, Degi. You and your waka waka. Ndila joka, my enemies feeding na the worst. Enemies feeding na the worst.
My graduate. That my mother married.
My sweet husband. Speaking of her, I wanted to cook. She said she's making a delicious food for her husband.
Her husband? That's my mother now.
You. Now take a look. I'm hungry now. What will I do? What will I eat? Because I'm sure she's not going to give. I don't even want to eat her disgusting food.
Chiro, let me understand. That she's in the kitchen cooking for her husband. Yes. Would that stop you from cooking for me?
But that's what she did.
No, she stopped you from cooking.
I really pity you. I don't even know how you were able to cope with her for years.
Chiro, that Ngozi did not allow you to cook. Why? Did she take you out of the...
She did, just like I told you. My sweet husband, please be very careful. Be very careful, oh. I don't want to be a widow, a young widow. I don't want anything to happen to you. You need to be careful, oh. How have you been coping all these years with her? Living with the devil. Hey, you're really a fighter. I respect you for that.
Actually, I'm a fighter. That's why I am her match. And you are hungry now, Abi?
Yes, now I'm hungry.
That's
what I came to see. I'll start suffering.
And she's
now
in the kitchen?
Yes.
She has occupied the kitchen?
And chased me away.
Hi, Chineke. I can't go there now. I am a fighter. If I go there now, Njeba. Chineke. And you're hungry. You're still hungry.
Who is your auntie?
No, it's a mistake. That's what yeah? Chineke.
Well, I'm just doing my duty as a wife. If I serve him and he eats, fine. If he doesn't eat, fine. After all, he did not give me any money to make the food. It's okay. I am not charged. Keep an eye on the moon.
You don't do it. Don't worry. You bet you one hour. Thank you. Don't touch her. The smell. It's smelling nice. Don't worry. I will eat. Then you take your own from the desk.
What is it?
Ogini.
What happened?
No, what is it? What is it? Salt. You want to tell me what kind of food is this now? What kind of level of madness is this? No, is this food or salt factory? You want to kill me? No, test it, idiot.
Hey!
Yes, have you? But how dear?
Did I not warn you? Now it has happened.
What is this? I don't understand. Who put salt inside this? Because this wasn't...
It's you! Who are you asking? You did it! You did! Who else? You did it!
And why would I do that? Why?
Why? Because you're a witch! You are evil, you are wicked, and you want to kill my husband. You want to make me a young widow. That's what you want to do. Did I not warn you? I told you. Now look at it. Did I not tell you to be careful? Since you got married to me, she has been pained. She just wants to take you away and make me sad. But your plans has failed. Shame on you.
What? This is the kind of food you have been feeding me with all this years. But I guess no cat like
it's okay. Caleb, my darling, it's okay. Alright? You know what? Now the tigress is out of the kitchen. I'll go in there and cook something sumptuous for you. Calm down, oh? It's okay. Baby, it's okay. I'm here now. It's okay. It's okay. Ozugo. Let me go and cook something a good wife will cook for her husband.
Is to go get if they're happy.
This is what my husband will eat. Hey! My rice!
You devil! You think I did not know that you put salt in that food? It was you! You want to make me look like a bad person. You want to make me look like a bad wife. Okay, each of you is in a motor. You want to use my situation to be doing love with my husband. You are a goat.
My rice.
Which one?
My rice. My rice for my husband. Why did you push my rice? Why did you push my rice? Yes, I will. Yes. Hey! Somebody help me! Somebody help me!
What's the problem?
He's strangled me. See the rice. I wanted to cook for you. She poured everything on the ground. See, what did I do to her?
What kind of human being are you, Ngozi? What kind of level of madness that is in you?
Kiss it here.
Take him on, sit to kiss it. You want to kill her?
No.
It's okay.
No, leave me.
Like the one I beat is not enough. Come close now and can cook up where I'm waiting for you.
See the rice I wanted to cook for you. See it everywhere. See the rice I wanted to cook for you.
What is this? How will you be doing this kind of thing?
Okay, so that is all you have to suffer.
If I don't come like water.
This is what I'm marrying. Hello, someone, this woman here is a beast. Caleb's wife is an animal. Seriously, I swear. This woman beats me, eh? Do you know she almost killed me? I cannot fight this fight alone. So my sister, I will soon die here. It's not better I come. Oh, okay. Will you come and save me? I cannot do this thing alone. Oh, this woman will strangle me to death. She's fighting Karat. Please come and help me, please. Okay, please. Okay, all right. Thank you.
Ngozi, who the mother? Seriously, you really disappointed me today. You are the first wife here. You should behave like the older one and act maturely. Can you give us small thing to push you into fighting? WWE fighter.
Do you know what she did to me? Have you asked me what she did to me?
I don't need to ask you. You already killing her. You start her to death. Do I need to ask? Because please, let this stop. I want peace in this family. People are already saying all sort of negative stories about this house there. Pico. I'm leaving. No. Leaving to where?
My father's house. Before she finishes me.
No,
can't you see she wants to kill me? I'm too young to die. I don't want to die here.
That's what I'm telling you. Don't worry. Let us settle this like mature people.
No, I'm not mature. Just leave me.
Listen, come. Yeah, don't worry.
My head.
Don't worry. Hey! Chineke! Hey! Beauty! Please. Don't do this to me.
Look at this one.
Go and get water and then
my friend, see, Beauty. Respect yourself and get off from that place. Me and you know that there is nothing wrong with you. We are just doing drama. Is this a way to run away from the fight? Because you have failed. The battle line has been drawn. So get off from there.
Battle line has been drawn. This idiot. Stand up, please.
Tell my sister. And tell the whole world that I loved you.
I love you. But we have somebody that wants to die. Please stand up.
Maybe go down to the nono. Maybe she thinks she's on the stage. My friend, get up from there.
What is wrong with both of you?
Are you mad? We're Pudala.
Nah, that's the man.
We're Pudala. You want to keep my only son for me? Before his time? What is all this? Bianca Seka. Kill me, what you? Is that why I married you for my son?
Go boom, double.
Shut up. Is that why I married you in this house? Keep up with mother. What is all this? Why are you tearing yourself apart? What is your problem? You want to kill Beauty? You want to kill her? Instead of thinking of how to give my son children and give me grandchildren, I want to come for a Mogo. Is this how to build a home? She insulted me. Gini Messia? She insulted. Is that why you want to beat her to come out? For what?
Mama, what
is all this? Yeah, Ochaka Omaka. What is your problem?
Mommy.
What is it? Ochaka Omaka. You think I don't know you?
No,
I know you and your sister very well. Hey, shut up. You think I don't know you? I know you and your sister very well.
There's no problem. Mama, we're just on my own. I was on my own trying to cook rice for my dear husband. Next thing she came and kicked my rice on the ground and strangled me.
Shut up!
Can you imagine?
Enough of your lies. I know you very well. You see you. Mama,
she's a graduate.
I have warned you enough. I am not talking. You cannot even control your family. You cannot even control your two wives. See, both of you. You're supposed to be thinking of how to give me grandchildren. See, hold your ears. I said If I hear
him in this house again. If I hear such news again from this house again, both of you, I will come here and send both of you packing. If I talk and I hear your voice again, you know,
where is that mad woman? Where is the witch that wants to kill my sister? Where is she? Kebono, the witch that wants to kill my sister. Oh, you're leaving? No, now come and stay here. Come and stay here. Let me deal with you. Where are they? Witch! Witch! You want to kill my sister? Like all day. Someone. You are screaming. Come, let me tell you something. Leave me alone. Hey! Caleb, is this how you are? Okay, you want to kill my sister? My graduate, Caleb! It shall never stand. No, I reject it in Jesus' name. You want to kill my sister?
Nobody is killing anybody.
Don't say that. Today is fainting. Tomorrow might be death. It will never happen. As long as I'm here, it will never happen. God forbid. Because Maka, leave me alone, Biko. Leave me alone, it's people's fault.
Leave me alone.
Someone you've suffered.
Wait. What's going on here? Who asked you to do this?
Your co-wife. She said if I must eat in this house, I someone should cook.
My co-what?
Wife.
Where is she? Stop that thing. Stop it!
Caleb!
Caleb, warn your wife, warn her, warn her. She wants to turn my sister someone into a maid. Warn her.
How? I don't. You're gonna
just go inside there. You'll see my sister in the kitchen. Huh? Why would she do that? Oh, she will use my sister as her maid and then now relax in hell. Okay?
Don't mind her. She's lying.
Who is lying? You are the liar. Please, Biko, warn her. Biko, what?
What is this now? Let me hear her now.
Hear what? What do you want to hear?
Tell me what we just allow her.
You want to hear her say I'm useless, I'm stupid, I don't know anything. Is that what you want to hear?
I was alone in the kitchen, cooking. The next thing I went to the room to get something. By the time I came back, I saw both of them in the kitchen.
Okay.
I don't know what they were doing there, and I did not send anybody there. Oh. So what is all this nonsense?
So now? What is all this?
Okay. What is all this? What?
Let me know now.
I know what both of you want to do. Two of you want to frustrate me out of this house, my house. How? The house that God put me into. You got married to me. She's the older wife, and since she has not been happy ever since you got married to me into this house. I'm the younger one. Why can't I enjoy my marriage? Biko, please.
You know, I don't know.
I know all this, but it's not God. God will not allow. I am not going anywhere.
I was just planning on how to make today very beautiful for me. Or if not that this friend is talking now, I won't have been here. I'm just waiting for this friend to come back and pour. Thank you.
I need to strategize means. Very wicked, blunt means to follow this devil because she's clearly a witch.
She's from hellfire.
This is my place, this is my stand. I mean, this is my man. Where did she even germinate from? It's just to bring out more strategies on how to deal with that.
Beauty.
Mama, welcome.
How are you?
Someone.
Ma.
I'm sure she's here to support them.
Beauty.
Ma?
You talk?
I said welcome, Mama.
I heard what you said.
What did I say? Me?
Did you talk? I am not here to support anybody. Yes. Besides, this is my son's house. I have the right to come and go at any time. I want peace to reign in this house. I want peace. All of us should live in peace.
Mama, Ngozi is inside. my husband Caleb went out. You're welcome again. Peace.
Beauty. Your name is Beauty and you are beautiful. You are my wife. Let it be a talk of husband and wife. Please. You see all this fight, this constant fighting in this house has to stop. Don't go too much. Yes, it has to, because we all are fighting against each other, turning against each other. Wait. Please, just live in peace.
If I'm getting you correctly, you're trying to blame me over her.
No, I'm not over.
You want to side your wife, right? No problem.
No. You are my wife. Which wife? That one, my mother's wife. You are my wife. I'm just trying to let us live as one.
Then take charge. Take charge of your home. This is your house.
Hey, so I take a room charge, you know?
Like this. No problem. Let me just leave. I don't know what to do. I don't know what I'm doing here now.
I will take charge.
Let me just go back to my father's house. I'm not wanted here. Nobody wants me.
You are my wife. How can you say nobody wants you? I didn't want you that I married you. I brought you into my house. No, you are my wife.
This is not the type of marriage I dreamed of. This is not the type of marriage I dreamed of.
Remember, you are my graduate. You remember the half of money I sent for you to become a graduate today.
Are you now trying? What?
But that's what I'm trying to say. You say dream man. I brought you a dream man.
I said this is not the type of marriage I dreamed about.
Okay, please. Let us not fight again, please.
I don't understand. What are my things doing here?
My husband wants you out. Mom. So take your nasty menopause and canker belongings out of this place. It's over for you.
It is over.
Tell her.
Oh, the cookie. Caleb said you should leave. Leave with your menopause. Like, we need to bring children in this house.
Don't go. Go now.
Just go.
Are you not tired?
Here. Where is she? Where are you going to? Are you deaf? I said get out of this place.
Buwanu now.
Are you deaf? This place. What are you trying to do? Hey! You two now, do something! Hey! You're not following my sister! You're mad! It's my sister, no! Someone! Take her from the back! Someone! Take her from the back! Hey! Someone fight! Someone fight! Someone fight! Fight someone! Someone fight! Someone fight! Someone! Let's start, Zeba! Hey! Akuna! Somebody help me! Somebody help me!
Mama, it's because of this nonsense. How can Mama bring somebody? And double is somebody to come up be my wife. Mama, money give back. I'm going to do.
Fear! You cannot fight. Did I tell you to talk? Are you mad? Look at who you want to go and you ask for a weakling. I told you not to talk. Shut up for once. You're the younger one. You couldn't fight. You cannot fight. That's what you want. Shame! Shame on you! Shame on you! Hey! Look at how you are. You could not.
Let it be the last time you will ask me to leave.
That's all I brought. Chimu, you couldn't even fight. I brought you here to help you, but weakling.
All your years in school, you did not learn how to fight.
Because I went to a wrestling camp now.
I think I know someone that can help us deal with her.
And you kept quiet all this while? Huh?
I didn't know.
You did not know where is the person. Who is the person? Please, let's go there right now.
Ngozi, listen to me. Get Munti Ofuma. You're no longer a kid. You are matured. That is why I came for you. That is why my son married you, because I saw something in you. Ngo, you have that strength. You are a strong woman. You have that wisdom to control your home. I came for you because I trust you. I came for you because I saw something special in you. I came for you because I know it's only you that can control my son, that can take care of my son, that can fight for my son. Omaka Beauty, forget that one. Her head is still hot. It's you that will calm her down. Only you will calm Beauty down. Obunie ibutue. Obunikwa ibutue. With time, with respect. She will respect you. She come to respect you if you respect yourself. Not small thing you start fighting. Small thing you start quarreling with Obeleng. No. How do you expect her to respect you when you can't respect yourself? Ngo, that family is in your hands. For peace to reign in that family, nakake kode. For there to be war there, nakake kode. For your husband to respect you, it's still you that will do that. You are the one that is supposed to be in control of that house. You bring her down. You bring her down. With time, she will learn to respect you. I saw something in you. And believe you me, I am not mistaken. What is all this? With all your wisdom, with your strength, you can still do it. Call your husband to order.
I don't like the way we are living in this house. I don't like what is going on. There is no peace. Every day quarreling, shouting, fighting. It's too much and I'm tired.
Thank God.
I was living in peace with my husband. All of a sudden he said he wants another wife. He did not even discuss with me. Instead, he went to his mother. When they called me and told me about it, I did not object because I understand that as a man, he needs a child.
Yes.
Then you came in. Instead of you to embrace me, you started picking on me. You were the one that's always looking for my trouble. If I had objected, maybe you would not have been here. If I had seriously objected, even if he decides to marry you, you will not be living in this same house. But I welcomed you because I was trained well. I don't... Listen, I don't understand why you always speak on me. And I don't know why you see me as an enemy. Let me just tell you, I want peace. You are here and you are here. There is nothing we can do about it. The only thing we have to do is to live in peace and coordinate ourselves.
Thank you.
My husband, I know that I might have offended you in one way or the other, knowingly or unknowingly. Whatever it is, Biko, forgive me. Let us live in peace. Beauty in aging. You are here and you are here.
Thank you so much, Ngozi. Peace. That is what we'll be looking for. Chineke, what God does not know does not exist. Thank you. Ngozi, I am so happy. In fact, I am extra happy that this whole thing is coming from you. Peace, embracing peace. That's it. This peace, that has been my aim in this house. I'm a man that said, okay, let me build a home of peace. Because no man enjoys fighting his wives in his own house. Although possible. No man enjoys tension in his house. No one needs tension in his house. I'm happy. Thank you so much for this thing that you just said now. It's a welcome idea.
Oh, I want to sleep.
Calm down. I dey go peace or see peace sleep. Because can't you embrace peace?
You see, peace can never reign in this house. Say she's here. Never. She just has to leave and then you see peace reigning in this house.
I told you before. Everything we've been trying to throw her out is not working. Let's try something else. Using Caleb to throw her out. As in, we have to tell him something that will make him too angry, too pissed off to throw her out of this house. That woman is a witch.
What could that be? Whatever we tell my husband now, it has to be something tangible, big, believable.
Exactly. Else. And that is the problem.
Unbelievable.
Remember what Baba said? Baba said she's using jazz, juju, and that she's strong, physically and spiritually. That whatever, everything that we've been doing is not even working. Like we've just been playing, nothing is working. We now have to up our game. We have to up our game. We have to look for a way to remove her out of this house. We have to eliminate her, as in, we'll kill her. Because that's the only way. No children. Nothing is going on in this house. And you know, for a child to come, there has to be peace in the house.
Yes.
Without peace, there will be no child. You need to act fast. Look at no pregnancy, nothing.
My fertile womb. You can imagine.
My own, no.
You see, what you just said now is the exact solution.
Whoa.
Nothing else. Nothing else.
We have to act fast. Since she doesn't want to go when she's alive, maybe when she's dead, she'll now go now.
Because we did nothing to her.
Nothing. Queen Sue.
Hi.
Good.
Whenever something good is coming, when everybody is happy, in don't you ever get tired? I get you, you and your waka waka. Ndila joka, my enemy's feeding na the worst. They are green snake in green grass. Enemies feeding. They will curse you behind the smell.
die.
Does it mean that Papa's jazz did not work?
No. Maybe the food was too hot and it must have killed the poison. That's the problem.
Ha!
Don't worry, okay? We'll go back to Papa and get a bigger one and try again. We have to finish what we started. Yes, now.
Mommy, no. Well done, no.
Hey! This is refreshing.
So nice.
I think I must have forgotten how to make this.
For where?
I'm happy you like it. My co-wife.
Sister.
I greet you. We greet you. I made zobo.
Refreshing zobo.
And I want to just offer this as a peace offering. Yes, I know we fight, we hate on each other and all whatnot. But I'm sorry. All I want now is peace.
Peace.
Real peace. Please.
Hey, man, wait first. You made zobo in this house? Hey! Enokwa! Kamfo! If people were behaving like this, I would not have any reason to complain.
We're sorry.
We're sorry. Oh, Zuzu. Forgive us.
It's so bad, you know what?
You like?
It's not Gemelia.
Yes,
you
yes.
made it.
Yes.
You were A1. You know how to do very well.
Thank you.
Were you? I will start it as a side hustle.
Thank you so much for
Hey,
this.
but if you don't like, just give me the recipe.
We can all be doing this together. One family. Finish it up. I even have more. Just ask me and I'll give it to you. Enjoy. Enjoy.
This is very good.
I just want peace.
Thank you. Real peace. It's the same thing that I want. So when you want so well,
Sister, thank you.
No problem. Oh, no problem at all. Thank you.
All right.
Let me quickly go and wash clothes.
All right. If you need my help, please call me.
Me too.
No problem, I will.
Hi, beautiful woman.
Oh.
Beggar's clothes.
Rags. This is what bitches wear now.
Nothing here is looking good. Nothing. Jesus. A witch calling Jesus.
Hey! Unto Jesus.
Jesus what?
What is this?
What does it look like? Your rags.
You burnt my clothes. You bought my clothes.
Yes.
You bought my.
Really? No more. Take her to the back. Take her to the back. Yes. Hey, someone take her to the back. You will pay for this! Somebody help! Neighbors help! You will pay! What is she doing? I cannot see it. I can't see it. What's happening? What's happening? Look at now! What are you doing? My luggage is... What are you doing? What? Obanje, wait! You know how much I bought that? Don't try it! You can never buy that box in your entire life! Drop my box! That's my box! That's my box! Beauty! Beauty, do something now! What do you want me to do? Help! Somebody! Help! I'll get you arrested! Look, if you touch my bag, I'll kill you! Oh my God! If I dare come up, it's Inakwa! Mama! You're finished! Oh my God! No! My bag! That's what I got. I bought that! I bought that! That's like 200,000 naira! That is like 200,000 naira!
Hello. You look worried. Since I've been here, you do not want to talk. What is wrong? Mike. Actually, I look worried. There's something that has been bothering me for a while now. So what is it? You know that accident that I had years ago? Yes, the one that you almost died. Doctor told me something after that accident. Okay. Hi, Nae. They say that as it is right now, that I cannot make a woman pregnant. How? I'm not So what are you thinking? What is your plan? What do you want to do? That is why I called you. You see, you're my friend. Yes. A friend in need is a friend indeed. Yeah. I want you to help me. Help you? How? How do you want me to help you? You know, I've been married to Ngozi for years. Okay, I know. No miscarriage. Then Beauty came, the same thing. So, people are blaming them anyway, but I know that the problem is from me, based on what I was told by the doctor. So as a friend, I want you to help me. Because I've thought about it. It is better somebody that I know, merely me, than, you know. So what do you want me to do for you now? Just go straight to the point. Mike, Mana, what they say, have ears. Because, please, I want you to help me make my wife pregnant. Because.
Repeat yourself, I don't understand.
You heard me. I want you to help me. See what happened here. Beauty, beauty is a beautiful girl. Let me not talk about Ngozibu wood cargo. Let me first come with beauty. Eta beauty, Ngozi. But Buso, get beauty pregnant for me. Then after that, I will bring Ngozi. In Union Manafo. Please. Okay. See, Mike, I am serious. I'm serious. I know what I'm telling you. I'm serious.
You are not thinking straight.
I am thinking straight. See, I have planned everything. Look at how it's going to work. I will come with beauty first. We will come to your house. Then we will drink. I'll pretend as if I am drunk, that I cannot go. Then we will sleep in your house. At night, I will signal you. If you will beat.
Get it back down. What is this?
Hey!
Get it down. Get it down. Get it problem.
Chicken. She tried to kill us. She died. She bought all our clothes, all my wigs. These 2 boxes are like 500,000 naira. I told you.
Get all the money,
You!
Who gave me the money?
You bitch!
What is this?
She's going to bed. She has me. She wanted to know. My bag.
What the fuel?
Take me. Take me. Don't take.
Go there
now. Get it.
What the fuck? Get up. Go there. Let the fuel.
Jane!
Ngozi.
Jane!
Hey!
Jane! Oh! Hey!
Ngozi.
You finally came.
Yes.
Hi!
What is good?
Beauty. Beauty. Beauty.
You know?
Yes, of course.
Oh my God, this is not true. How can this be true? It's not possible. God, I'm finished. Hey, I'm finished.
Fine girl, why are you crying?
Take a look at this. I'm finished. My 2 years is wasted. My 2 years in school is wasted. Can you imagine?
Jesus.
The school just woke up one day to just tell me that the admission is fake. My school fees is gone. Everything I've paid for the past 2 years. My seminar, my quiz, exams, handouts, textbooks, everything is gone. Even the hostel fee.
It's okay.
Who gave me this fake admission now? How did I enter this trouble?
It's okay. Now, this one you are crying. You are going to hurt yourself. It's okay.
You say it's okay? It's not okay. My boyfriend sacrificed everything for this school. He sacrificed his only father's land. He sold it. He gave it to me. My sister is waiting for me. Everybody's waiting for me to make them proud. Now I'm not going to be a graduate because of this rubbish.
Just see, listen, this is not the end of the world. You just have to put yourself together. At some
point I had to drop out of school so that I'll be able to feed myself. I did little job to be able to feed myself because I could not afford school fees. Just try and put yourself together.
No, put myself together. The villagers will laugh at me if I go back. My boyfriend will even think I lied or I duped him. How am I going to face them? I need to set this right. I need to set this right.
Listen, I understand you perfectly well. Okay, what are you going to do about it?
I don't know.
Because you can't sue the school. It's okay. Just calm down, please.
So, babes, what's your next plan of action? Do you intend going back to the village?
Which village? No. Am I mad? I can never go back to that village, at least for now. What do I explain to them? Who will even believe me? Wait, I should tell my boyfriend that the entire money, years spent, everything gone. How will I even look into my sister's eyes? I cannot do that too. What will I tell the villagers? I can't do that. I just don't know. I'm confused.
Well, I think it's actually a good thing. But you have to look for all this lenient job to do so that you'll be able to pay your bills for now. You know what I mean, right? I can link you up with one or two of them. That is if you are interested.
Yes, I'm interested. I have to survive now. And as long as these jobs will be able to help me accumulate the money to pay off my boyfriend in case he starts making trouble and also help my sister out.
It's okay. No problem. Just don't think about it too much again, okay? Just have to put your mind at ease for now.
It just feels like a dream.
I know. I understand.
So you deceived me. You deceived me. You came back here as a graduate. Don't know it. Don't know that you are a coco killer. My money. I sold. You know her? Yes, I never did. Yes. So you know her?
Of course I know her. We work together now.
In the city. I as a banker.
Not banker. Not banker. We kill chicken together.
Chineke! We go check together. No be the boy go check I will my money, all the money I spent. If I take the money I made if I tell you how I made this money, I made money to send this idiot to school about not going to go.
Caleb, what did I do to you? No, I want to understand. What did I do to you? Caleb, I tried to be a good wife. In my own way. All of a sudden, you decided you wanted a second wife. You went for her because, according to you, she is a graduate. Just look at what is going on. Look at what just happened. Both of you treated me so badly, yet I endured. Akwifugia, have you seen it? But that is not even the one that is paining me. Caleb, you have a health issue. You have an issue, a health one, and you didn't even bother telling me. Don't even say anything. So Caleb, you knew you could not father a child, that something was wrong with you. You didn't even tell me. Your so-called graduate tried to kill me. Do you know that? She poisoned my food.
Chineke, how?
If not for the grace of God, I would have been dead. Uncle, my life is in danger. And that is why I am here. My co-wife and her sister are looking for ways to kill me. They just want me out of the way, and they can do it anyhow. And I then remembered that you told me about an anti-poison. Please, my life depends on it now. Please, I need it. Biko.
No problem, my sister. Nobody will die in our lineage because of poison. Wait for me. I'm coming.
I cannot take it. I cannot take it anymore. No. What kind of nonsense is that? Enough is enough. What nonsense is that? What nonsense? First of all, the idiot went to the city and squandered my hard-earned money. Money that I made through selling of land. Sorry, she didn't even know how I made that money that she squandered. In the name that she went to the school. I came back now, so grammar, without doing that, the whole school longer. She did not even know any 4 words of education. Man, Unless she's planning to kill you. Bah! It will not happen. Stop! Get on!
Kai. Just look at the danger he exposed me to. Just. Kai, God.
He knows that you're young. Leave me and hold that one.
Go ahead. Get him out. Come on.
Please.
It's a baby, what is here? Baby, what
Let me explain a few things to you. She did not say it how it was. So let me explain it properly.
Explain it.
I just want to break your heart.
That you sent me. Went to the city. The city is going where I want to become a graduate. And I came back as your owner Coco. I saw you there for Coco. I said that was not enough. You now plan to kill my own wife.
No, I did not want to break your heart, please.
Come. People say, my husband.
You deceive me. What am my money? My own money. You get back to the world. You want to kill my wife? You want to kill my wife? This is my money to go and start that. Let me see here.
Hi. So this is it. Hey, Beauty. This is how it ends or what? Is this it? Eh? Beauty, you deceived everybody. Even me, your blood, your sister. You lied to me. All you could have done was just tell me the truth. Just tell me the truth and I, someone, will know how to approach everything. What is there? You lied to everyone, even me. You're not a graduate. Hey, Chineke. Beauty, you are not a graduate. Now we've lost everything. We've lost literally everything. Even the man you love, you've lost it too. Potential king. Man that could have given us good life. Now we're back to square one. Which kind of square one? We are back to square zero. No square. What are we going to do? Beauty, how could you do this to me now? After how many? You could have just stayed back there. You could have stayed back. Hi. This is an embarrassment. Hi. Chicken seller. Come on, chicken seller.
Ngozi. Mama. Hi, Chineke. Mama, I'm tired. I feel like committing suicide. Suicide mission just I am tired of this life. See, I have two mighty problems that is facing me right now. Two big problems. One is that Beauty. Beauty told me that she was a graduate. That she went to school. Only to find out that Beauty is a foul seller. But I guess simple graduate Neko na money upon the woman that I spent. Hey, graduate na money. Yeah? And then she planned to kill my wife, Ngozi. I'm telling you. So I had to chase her away. Now the second problem now that Ngozi herself is pregnant. I'm telling you. And I'm not responsible for that pregnancy. I told you now. You remember the accident I told you about? The doctor said that I cannot impregnate a woman. Eh? Now Ngozi is pregnant. How? I have lived with Ngozi and Beauty for years. How come she's pregnant now? Eh? I am tired. I am tired. The thing is that I think I will leave this village and go to the city and stay.
Ngozi, Caleb told me you were pregnant. How did it happen?
I honestly do not know, Mama. I just found out recently. I didn't even know that I had taken it.
According to the doctor's report, he said your husband cannot pregnant a woman. So you've been sleeping around.
Mama, that is not true. I can never do such a thing. Mama, Caleb is the only man I have ever known. I don't know how God did it, Mama, but I am carrying Caleb's child. I have never slept with another man. Never. I have never done it. I swear, Mama. I swear.
The doctor said that the accident affected him. That he cannot pregnant a woman. So I am surprised you telling me that Caleb is the father of your child.
That is what I really do not understand. But the one that I am sure about is that I am carrying his child. I have never met any other man. Caleb is the first and the only man that has ever touched me, Mama. I swear. I swear on my life.
Madam, we are sorry. I am very sorry for whatever you must have been passing through. The truth of the matter is this: after the accident, a series of tests were carried out. The fault is ours because wrong result was issued to your husband. Yes.
What did you say?
Calm down. Like I said, we are sorry. Right now, I am going to issue the original result, which states that your husband is potent and he can father a child.
Hey, Jesus.
Madam, we are sorry. We are taking responsibility for all the inconveniences. And feel free to bring him here so that we will explain and apologize.
Hey! This is the results the hospital gave me. Just look at it yourself.
Look at those.
Just check it yourself.
Me penny no go on here there now. See me look at it.
Please.
Read it yourself. No, say please.
I don't have strength, Biko. Just open it and see for yourself.
So padro. No dia problema, no problem. Me no dia. Yes. This is the hospital. My name will. Yes. I am sorry that there was a mix-up. Chelo. Ngozi, that I can make a woman pregnant.
They said nothing is wrong with you.
Chineke.
I knew it. Because I know in my heart that I have never slept with another person. I have never known another man except you.
God, Biko, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I am sorry. Thank God, Thank God, because I nearly asked that my friend Mike. I asked the idiot to come and walk away. Thank God I refused. So, I accused you. My mother was here this. My mother. People forgive me.
I have forgiven you.
Forgive me. So I accused you. I doubted you. And you still believed in me. I accused you that I went and brought Olunye Lokoko in the name of Chineke. Please forgive me.
Whatever you do, pray against enemies. Amen. Wherever you go, nene kwanya nazu. You whenever something good is coming, when everybody is happy, in this weekend.